If your nib's too slow and your ink won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to help you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hey, welcome friends, Larry here. Thanks for coming back and joining me on Mail Call at Larry's Fountain Pen Review. Right here in the envelope, I wanted to share with you, I've reached out to Yafa like I have on many occasions, and I work with Christina, asking her what I need, and she has always been Johnny on the spot. Great service at Yafa. So I wanted to buy some nibs. I wanted to change up some of my current nibs on some of my Yafa pens. And you've seen the review on this stunning Conklin All-American. The walnut, very nice, beautiful writer, elegant fountain pen. Great looking, love the shape, the weight. It's just a great, affordable, dependable fountain pen, in my opinion. So, I wanted to kind of change up the nib. So, in a few days, I will be doing that. So, let's open this up and show you what's inside. I call it the heart of a fountain pen, right? Well, let's see here. That's a lot of hearts, isn't it, Mr. Announcer?
Oh, yes.
All right. So, I'll get this opened up here. Now, this came yesterday, but I was just too busy to even get to it. Now, I'm not sure I figured out how to open this thing up. Oh, okay. So, let's just open this little deal up as I cut my fingers off. Good job. Now, let's see what's inside. Number one, heart number one, which I'm really excited about because they're going to go in my pens. And they come in these little tubes. And there is, number one, a black nib. And that's going to be the broad nib. This one, I'm going to be exchanging the nibs on this one. So, set that aside. And we'll get this one going on here. And this one here is going to be another broad one, but in a silver color for a different pen. Last but not least, and this last silver one here is another broad nib. So what I've done was, I'm going to change out a lot of nibs and put broad nibs in them. My favorite nib is a medium. But I've really been getting into fine and extra fine. But I needed some broad nibs badly, so I ordered these to change up on some of my other Yafa pens that will hold these nibs. And so I'll get a hold of Christina in a week or so. Then I'm going to get some fine and extra fine nibs and put them in some of my pens and just kind of mix up the fun and just show you guys how weld the nibs right really well, I think. And wait till you see these broad nibs. These broad nibs are going to really sing. Folks, that's going to do it today. All right. All three are broad nibs. One is the black one, which is going to go into the walnut pin. And then the other two silver broad nibs are going to go into, well, you'll just have to find out when I do the review. Thanks for joining me today on Larry's Fountain Pen Review. Be safe, wash them hands, don't text and drive, and a lot of peace and a lot of love coming your way. Be cool. Bye-bye. Hey guys, Larry here, and got me one here box here, and this package comes from Mr. Announcer.
Drumgools.
Yes, my first time ever to buy anything from them. So here we go. Let's open this little sucker up and let's see what's in here. Because you know why? I forgot. I forgot, for real, I forgot all about this. Can you believe it? Yeah. When you get about, like me, you forget about a lot of things. Oh, anyway, here's how it comes packed. For those who are interested. So, of course, you get the little sales slip and all that good kind of stuff. And it says, blah, 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 blah. There, how's that? Very good. And looky here. Another Conklin fountain pen. Not just any Conklin fountain pen. One of my favorite all-time brands, and I'll give a whole review on this just to show you.
Oh.
Look at this stunning, beautiful fountain pen. I've got a little badge here. We think you're great. Well, thank you. Look aloud. Ta-da! Anyway, look at this awesome, beautiful fountain pen. Now that's every bit of good looking. Conklin did it again. Conklin rocks. Affordable, a great writing instrument, and comes with a converter, and I'll get into all about the converter and how this pen works and the history about it and what it's made of and the dimensions and the nib size, and we'll just have a party. Alright folks, that's going to do it today for Larry's Fountain Pens on Mail Call. Got it? So I'll see you soon, my friends. Stay safe, stay healthy, a lot of peace and a lot of love coming your way. And as always, my friends, please don't text and don't drive. Peace out. Sing it.